Tipirneni and Nani Underwall Poster Cinema and Unanimous Productions. The film stars Nani and Srinidhi Shetty in the lead roles. The film has music composed by Mickey J. Meyer, cinematography handled by Sanu John Varghese, and editing by Kartika Srinivas. It is third installment in the Hit universe and the sequel to Hit the Second Case 2022. The film was officially announced in December 2022. Principal photography commenced in September 2024. Filming took place in Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam and Jammu Kashmir or Jammu and Kashmir. Hit the third case was released worldwide on 1st May 2025 in theaters to mixed to positive reviews from critics and audience alike. Let's see to plot of the movie. SP Arjun Sarkar is imprisoned for an unspecified crime in jail. He is saved by a fellow prisoner named Samuel Joseph from being harmed by inmates he had previously arrested. Later, Arjun narrates his story to Joseph through a series of flashbacks. Following the events of Hit, the second case, Arjun is posted to him and Arjun is posted to Hit Vishakhapatnam in place of Krishnadeva KD. He murders a civilian by hanging him upside down in a forest and slitting his jugular vein. He further records the act. Afterwards, he is assigned to investigate his own crime. Further, revealing organs were removed from the corpse after the murder. Meanwhile, he begins a romantic relationship with Mrudula, a woman he met through a matrimonial site set up by his father. His colleague ASP Varsha IPS grows suspicious of him and starts tracking him, witnessing Arjun commit another murder in the same manner. Confronted by her, Arjun justifies his actions, revealing the two civilians killed by him were pedophiles and undeserving to live. A flashback reveals that when Arjun was posted to Hit Jammu and Kashmir, he investigated a similar murder and apprehended the killer after a forensic fight with his accomplices, only to later discover a similar murder having been committed in Bihar, where the culprit was apprehended. On inquiring him, Arjun discovered that both killers were members of a dark web cult organization called CTK, Capture, Torture, Kill, which required members to record to such murders to join. Following the suicide of the first killer in custody and the death of two of his accomplices who were Azad Kashmir activities, Arjun was transferred to Hit Vishakhapatnam. Having decided to infiltrate CTK, he committed the murders, uploaded the video